Hey you guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Huda Beauty mystery bags. I bought both the large and small mystery bags. These were for sale on her website for a short amount of time. I'm not sure if they're still in stock, but I know that they did have them on the website for a couple of days. So I have both these small and large mystery bags. The small mystery bag cost $49 and it's supposed to have 5 products in it, and then it has the bag that it comes with. And then the large mystery bundle was $89, which is pretty expensive. So this one has 6 products and then it has the bag. So before I start opening the mystery bags, I would really appreciate it if you would give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Also, I'm doing a pretty big giveaway right now. I will have it linked in my description box below if you guys want to check that out. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so here is how it came packaged. We have this little card that says Huda Beauty Mystery Bundle, and it comes with 15% off your next order. All right, so on top we have the bags. Wait, what is happening here? I'm so confused right now. So I was gonna unbox the small mystery bag first, but there's like one bag that's empty and then the other one has everything in it. So I'm not sure how I'm gonna know which one goes with what. So here is what the bag looks like. This is a pretty big tote bag. It's actually bigger than I thought it was gonna be. So yeah, this is really cute. I kind of don't like though that this is one of the items. I wish this was just like an extra. All right, so everything else is in this other bag here. Please be separated. Okay, so everything came packaged like this. So I'm not sure if there's gonna be like a card telling me what came with what bundle. I'm not sure how I'm gonna know like which is the small and large, but I'm just gonna go ahead and open this up and start showing you guys what I got. Yeah, it looks like everything is just like thrown in here, so I have no idea which one is the large and small. So yeah, we're just gonna go through everything. I'm sorry, I wish I knew which was which. So the first thing I got is this Huda Beauty Obsessions palette. This is the Ruby Obsessions palette, and I've only ever had the Mauve Obsessions palette, and I did declutter that because I wasn't the biggest fan. But this one actually does look really pretty. The center shade looks stunning. So here are some of the shimmery shades. These do have really nice pigmentation. They feel very like buttery and soft. I'm gonna swatch some of the matte shades as well. Ooh, okay, these actually feel better than my last Huda Beauty Obsessions matte shades. Those were like very kind of like, I don't know, dry and like powdery. But these don't really feel like that. That was a really bad swatch. I don't even know how to show you guys this now. I really wish you guys could see the mattes. I did a terrible job swatching. I'm sorry, but those actually do feel a lot better than the Mauve Obsessions palette that I used to have. I don't know if she like changed the formula with the newer versions. But yeah, I do like the color scheme of the Ruby palette, so that's exciting to get. So the next thing I got is one of her liquid lipsticks. This is the Huda Beauty Demi Matte Liquid Lipstick. And this is in the shade Day Slayer, which looks gorgeous. This is a very, like, kind of like light peachy pink color. Ooh, this smells amazing. So I'm gonna try and do better swatches. So there is that shade. This is definitely a shade that I would wear. This is so pretty. I actually thought it was gonna be lighter based on the packaging. I feel like the packaging makes it look a little bit lighter than it actually is, but I really like that shade a lot, so that's exciting. I actually do really like the Huda Beauty liquid lipsticks. I think I only have like 1 or 2 shades, and I have like the mini versions because I got them in like a set, so that's exciting. So next up, I got another one of the Obsessions palettes, and this is the Amethyst palette, which looks like a purple palette. Ooh, yeah. This one's really pretty. These shades look so stunning. Ooh, this looks like a really pretty, like, kind of duochrome pink. I'm gonna swatch some of these on this side of my arm. Hopefully this goes a little bit better than the last swatches. These shades are really pretty. And once again, the mattes feel a lot better than my mauve palette I used to have. So here are some of the matte shades. I feel like Huda Beauty shadows don't swatch very well, but I usually have a really easy time blending them on the actual eyes. All right, so the next thing I got is another liquid lipstick, and I feel like I actually have this shade, maybe not. This is in the shade Passionista, which looks like kind of like a deep pink. I'm not sure if I'm gonna open this one or not because I might put some of this stuff in a giveaway. Like, I don't really need to keep all of this. But this is a really pretty kind of like purpley pink shade. So I got another liquid lipstick here. Ooh, this one looks really pretty. I'm not sure how to say the name, but there's the name if you guys can see that. It looks like it's Chica, maybe? And this looks like a really pretty kind of, it's similar to the first one, but a little bit more pink. It kind of looks like a mauve shade, which is really pretty. I'm gonna open this one up. Hopefully I don't already have this one in my collection. I don't understand. These other two liquid lipsticks are like taped closed, but the first one wasn't, which is kind of weird. All right, I am gonna swatch this one because I am gonna keep it. So there's the first shade. I'm gonna put it right next to it. So there they are side by side. This one is a little bit more pink. So I actually really like that all the shades are really pretty and wearable. All right, so next up I got the Matte Perfection Pre-Makeup Base, and this is her primer. It says apply 1 to 2 drops to the face. Let sit for 20 seconds before applying foundation. Can be used all over the face to target oil-prone areas. I do sometimes get oily on like my chin and my nose, so I'm excited to try this out. I actually haven't heard that much about this primer. The packaging is really nice. I'm gonna, this is cool. I really like the packaging actually a lot. I'm gonna put some on my hand and see how this feels. So it is kind of like runny and watery. It feels really nice on the skin. It's very lightweight feeling as well. It's not like a thick silicone-y primer. It does have a pretty strong scent. I feel like all of Huda Beauty products have like a strong fragrance. So it is a little bit tacky, so I feel like your foundation would stick really nicely to this. So I'm definitely going to be trying this out. I've been doing a lot of like testing out new makeup videos recently, so I'm gonna have to try a bunch of these products out. So next up I got another Obsessions palette, and this is the Emerald Obsessions palette. I don't know if I'm gonna like this one because I'm not like the biggest fan of green. I don't know, actually this is really pretty. So here are the shades in this palette. I actually kind of like it and I didn't think that I would. These are really pretty. This is a really unique palette. I'm not gonna swatch it because I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it or put it in a giveaway, but this is a really pretty palette. I wish she would have put like her other Obsessions palettes in here. I'm pretty sure there's more like pastel ones. I would have rather seen some of those than all three of like the gemstone ones. All right, so I think we're almost done. Wait, there's another liquid lipstick in here. So I do have another liquid lipstick in here. This is in the shade Provocateur, I think is how you say it. This almost looks like a lilac purple shade. I'm not sure if I'm gonna swatch this one again because I don't know if I'm gonna be keeping it. I really don't need to keep all of these products. I just like to do these videos so you guys can see what comes in like mystery boxes and bags. But this shade also looks really pretty. I love how all of her liquid lipstick shades are really wearable. So yeah, we got 4 liquid lipsticks between the 2 bags, and I think we're almost done. There looks to be like there's 2 palettes in here. Okay, so the next thing I got is this Huda Beauty Summer highlighter palette. The packaging is gorgeous. You guys know I love my 3D highlighter palette, which is in the shade Pink Sands. I've actually never seen this one before. Oh wow. Okay, well this is interesting. So here are the shades. These are like crazy out there shades. I would probably never highlight my face with these shades. I'm not sure like anybody who would really use these unless you were doing like a fun, colorful look. This is a really pretty palette, but I wish you would have put a more wearable highlighting palette in these mystery bags. All right, so the last thing I got is this eyeshadow palette right here. This is the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette remastered, and you guys know I already have the Rose Gold palette. I have the original one. I really don't understand why she came out with the original one if she was just gonna make a new one. The packaging of this is gorgeous. The packaging is like the Desert Dusk and the New Nude palette. The original Rose Gold palette, I will grab it in just a second, but it has like the clear packaging. This packaging is beautiful. She should have just waited and come out with it like this than doing 2 of the same palette. I think that's kind of ridiculous. That's why I never bought this one. Oh wow. Okay, so this actually looks like really different. Like the top shimmery shades are so different than in the original palette. The original palette has like kind of like foiled and chunky glittery shades, and these just look like your standard kind of like metallic shimmery shades. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this since I already have the original one and I really do not need 2 of the same palette. So I went and grabbed my original Rose Gold palette. I am gonna kind of compare these. So the size is exactly the same, but the packaging, as you guys can see, is different. This one, you just slide off the outer part, and then the actual palette part is clear. So I can't believe how different the shimmery shades are in these 2 palettes. I know that the original one did not get very good reviews when it first came out, but here are the 2 palettes side by side. So they do actually look pretty different. At least these shimmery shades do. As you guys can see, this whole top row has like those kind of like chunky foiled looking shades. But in the new palette, they are really smooth and just like a standard shimmery shade. So that is really interesting to me. The actual shades themselves are different now that I'm looking at this. Like the color of the shimmery shades do not look the same. Like The shade Rose Gold in the original palette actually looks rose gold, but in the new palette, it does not look rose gold like at all. If you guys have tried both of these palettes, let me know which one you like better. I think it's so weird that there's two versions of the same palette. So I forgot to mention in the beginning of the video, the small mystery bag has a $122 value for the $49, and then the large one has a $206 value for $89. So overall, I would say that these are pretty good mystery bags. I wish I knew what came in what bag. I mean, I guess I could probably guess. I would imagine that the eyeshadow palette came in the large bag, and then I would probably think that this came in the small one just so they both like kind of had a palette. And then I'm sure each one maybe came with 2 liquid lipsticks, and then maybe the small one, I actually don't know. Maybe the small bag had one of the Obsessions palette and then the other one had 2. And then what else did I get? The primer probably came in the large one if I had to guess. I really wish I knew. I think that's so like kind of dumb how they packaged that all together, because that like takes away the entire fun of like unboxing a mystery box. Let me know what you guys think about these mystery bags in the comments down below. Do you guys think that they were a good value? I personally think that they were pretty good. I wish they didn't do all of like the gemstone Obsessions palette. I wish they would have put some of the other ones just to kind of like change it up a little bit. And she has so many other good products. I feel like they could have maybe put like a setting spray. And I know she just came out with a new mascara, which would have been really cool to put in the mystery bags, because I could do without for liquid lipsticks. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you know of any other mystery boxes, mystery bags that you guys want me to check out, let me know in the comments down below. I'm gonna have all the products that I unboxed in my description box below if you guys want to check any of them out. I'll also have a link to that giveaway that I mentioned at the beginning of today's video if you guys want to enter that. And before you guys go, make sure you click the bell next to the subscribe button so you can receive a notification every time I upload a new video. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.